This broke out this morning around 11:30.
It took nearly 100 firefighters to extinguish those flames.
This fire has been put out, according to fire officials.
Costume shop and party rental store were destroyed in the fire,
involving multiple fire departments: Glendale, Pasadena, Burbank, LA City, with dozens of firefighters.
A lot of work being done by our firefighters, aggressive attack on the fire.
2 buildings, 1 unstoppable team. Damage doesn't wait, and neither do we. We don't just restore property, we restore order.